Hi everyone, welcome back to Music Movements. In today's video, we will discuss another new tense, that is future perfect continuous. Let's begin with date and day. Word of the day, fascinating, meaning interesting or exciting. Fascinating, meaning interesting or exciting. Topic, future perfect continuous. Topic is future perfect continuous. Let's understand how it works. Future perfect continuous. It is used to express an action that will continue happening till any fixed time in future. That will continue happening till any fixed time in future. Example given. They will have been playing for 2 hours by 5 o'clock. Next, he will have been living in this house for 10 years by 2022. Okay, these examples show what? Like actions that will be ongoing. Actions that will be ongoing until a specific point in future. Actions that will be ongoing until a specific time in future. See, just like 2 hours, 10 years. Okay, formation, subject plus will have been or shall have been plus base form of the verb, that is V1 plus ing plus object. So helping verbs are will have been or shall have been. See, will have been, we use will have been with all the subjects, either singular or plural, including I and we. And shall have been we use with the situation that are more formal if needed, like situation that are more formal. Okay, so exercise 1, filling the blanks with future perfect continuous form of the given verbs. Verbs are given to you, you have to change these verbs into future perfect continuous. See, by the next month I dash work here for 5 years. So what will be the helping verb? Will have been. I will have been. Work will become working. See, ing, V1 with ing. So work will become working. Okay. Next, she dash learned Spanish before her trip. She will have been. Learn will become learning. Okay. Next, they dash exercise every day for a month. They will have been exercising. They will have been exercising every day for a month. Next, we dash watch that series for several weeks by the end of the month. So, we will have been watching. We will have been watching. Next, Adya dash wait for you over an hour when you get there. Adya will have been waiting. Adya will have been waiting for you over an hour when you get there. Let's recall what is the formation. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus will have been or shall have been plus base form of the verb plus ing plus object. Got it? What is the helping verb? That is will have been or shall have been with V1 plus ing. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.